Yo, what's up? EvilGeniux is here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your middle name and your last name on your Facebook account. All you have to do is download Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, and let the shit begin. Okay, open your Firefox, go to your settings. Yes, as you can see, I have my first name, my middle name, and my last name. Go to languages. Then all you have to do is change your language from English to Bahamas, Indonesia. Is it? Then save the settings. Then when you are done, you have to go to options. Scroll down, settings. Under the network settings, click manual proxy configurations, then search proxy Nova. Enter the first website. On top of the tabs proxy server list, you can check Indonesia. Here is it. As you can see, there are many proxies out there. Just pick up the first one, copy the fax proxy and paste it under HTTP proxy. Then go and check port. Okay, port is 8080. Type it. And make sure you tick use this proxy server for all protocols. Okay, not leak. Okay, go to general, then edit your names. You have to remove all your names and leave the first name only. Then click save changes, then type your password and save. Yes, as you can see, I have my first name only. Thanks guys for watching. Leave comments below. EvilGeniux is here for you.